Today I'll be changing this quarter panel. Maybe it seems that it's fine, but oh boy, you're gonna see some things. And we will have to remove roof, this trim here, this cover here, gas tank cover, this trim here, this trim, the rear bumper, and trunk lid, light, the number plate. Luckily the owner has emptied the trunk, so that's great. And from the interior, this side panel here, the rear seat, and maybe the front seat also. Nothing too bad, a little bit rust here and there, and a little hole I will have to patch. Overall seems pretty good. I might seem crazy that I'm removing this almost perfectly fine quarter panel, right? But no, I have a reason. Okay, I cleared all the spot welds, and I will be drilling from here, a cut here, then again drill here, 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 here. It's all cleared here, but if you had the cope, you had to remove the window. Some spot welds right here, and then a cut here. Again here and here, and drill all the spots for the rear arch. And we're at the start. removed the quarter panel, now we see the real situation what's going on here. Some quite rust there, and boom, here's the reason why I am removing the side panel. It doesn't seem so nice anymore, does it? So the game plan is to remove the inner wheel arch, and we have to drill spot welds that are here, then disappears somewhere there and continues here. This is the part I don't really like, because I have to make a cut and I can't drill the spot welds there, and they are hidden somewhere right here, so I have to cut it here. So I drilled this bit off so I can make a cut here, so I can remove the top part. And boom, here are those bastards. From now on, it seems pretty low. What's that? Well, so anyway, from this point it seems pretty much straightforward now. I can see all the spot welds now, except for this little fella, and it seems that it's a bit rusted as well, so have to replace it anyway. The inside looks pretty good, but not this piece. This is the piece I was talking about previously, and here's a quick fix for it. This is going to be pretty much straightforward, nothing much to it. So let's get welding done. And here's the second support for the fume tank and inner wheel arch well plastic thing. So anyway, this is going to be the piece that I'm going to use. And about this rear panel, something to me seems really out of its place. Like it shouldn't be like that, because the underbody coating isn't original and it really does not hold together. So we will probably going to replace the rear panel as well and fix this rust while we're at it. So this is what I'm talking about. See, it's like not welded together at all. So the rear panel on this car was changed some while ago, but the repair shop did pretty bad work, I would say, because it's not holding together. Okay, this is getting out of hand. I mean, this pocket as well is rusted. There's some rust as well, and yeah, we'll have to replace the tow hook as well. And I saw a crack here. I guess it's because the rear panel wasn't welded in place. And now we have this little side where we can weld the tail panel. As for the rear pocket, probably we are going to change the whole pocket because it's rusted here as well, so yeah. And the tow hook, of course. As you now can see, it's full of rust, so yeah, without any questions we have to replace it. And boom! They're there. See what I'm talking about? Oh well, at least we have the donor car. As for the end, yeah, probably we're going to change the end as well. As for this pocket, well, it's not too bad, but I can see some paint bubbled up, so we should probably check it if it's good or not. And this side, well, it has to be replaced, there's no other way. And bit of rust spreading here as well, probably you can see on camera, but first I have to do something This is the rust I was talking about. Well, I rushed this piece a little bit. It wrinkled a little bit, but I can straighten it out. Seems fine. Let's go, buddy, it's your time. Sadly, but I will have to replace this corner as well, because it's not much, but I probably can't weld it. So in any case, I should make it right anyway. I'm going to use this part from the donor car and also this top part. Quickly assembled all the panels so I can see if everything sits nicely. This I usually do before welding them, just to see if everything is like it should be. For now it seems it's alright. And this is final assembly, just to be sure if really everything fits and sits in its place. So all the gaps seem fine for the trunk lid and for the roof cover. The door seems fine. No, nothing odd here. The gas tank cover, it's okay. The door is open well, and it's okay here as well. Cool. So let's get welding. fits and sits. Everything is pretty much done. Everything is in its place, welded, and the gaps are good. Now it's time to do after welding works. Get the car resprayed. So add the underbody coating where it needs to be added, and do the first layer of primer, I guess. So for this part it's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and see you in part 2 of this convertible. Ciao!